Hello and welcome to the weekly Bitcoin price analysis, where we talk the fundamentals and technicals of Bitcoin. So let's get to it. Binance and Nasdaq CEOs talking crypto and Bitcoin weekly price analysis. Bitcoin price analysis is challenging financial magnates all over the world. Binance and Nasdaq CEOs have participated in two major conferences, bringing positive sentiments in their statements with regards to the future of cryptocurrencies. Founder and CEO of Binance believes that crypto markets are undervalued. Binance founder and CEO Changpeng Zhao was presented at the Binance Blockchain Week in Singapore. He believes that the cryptocurrency market is somehow undervalued and many cryptos are oversold. The year 2017 was a tremendous rise that led the cryptocurrencies to an overbought condition, Changpeng claims. The meteoric price rise has brought many new investors, entertainers, and projects in the field, he added. Quote, I believe at the end of 2017 there was definitely an overshot on the price side. There were a lot of guys rushing in very simple projects with their very simple white papers. Then of course, as everybody rushed in, once that massive rush in finishes, the price declines. We've been in a bear market for a very long stretch, probably the longest in history for Bitcoin right now. I think right now my personal view is that we are actually overshooting on the lower side now. End quote. The market conditions weren't the only thing Changpeng had covered. He personally stated that he is confident that this crypto space is growing and that price changes are only a matter of time. Quote, I'm very confident that this space will get so much bigger. We just gotta be prepared for when that happens. End quote. We truly believe that wealth is being transferred right now, and Binance will be a part of the major characters in the history of cryptocurrency. Nasdaq CEO calls crypto a tremendous demonstration of genius and creativity. January 20th was the day of the World Economic Forum, WEF, at Davos. The WEF has brought together over 2,500 leaders from businesses, government, international organizations, civil society, academia, and more. Just before the event started, Adina Friedman, the president and CEO of Nasdaq, called the invention of crypto a tremendous demonstration of genius and creativity. At first, she said that she could see several trends that will continue to shape our market and broader economic landscape in the year ahead. An article titled New Chapters in Innovation and Disruption will be written in 2019 that she posted on her LinkedIn account. One of the highlights got most of our attention. Quote, transparency and fairness are the keys to trust, and without some level of oversight and regulation, it is not possible to demonstrate a level of transparency and fairness that will build trust. End quote. Some food for thought. Do you believe that it is time for governments and banks to start working fully transparent and start recovering the lost trust? We hope this will change soon. Daily trading tip. Before trading Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, take a pen and paper, do your homework, and make a list of crypto projects you believe in. Scan their teams, white papers, and long-term visions. Trade wisely. Bitcoin weekly price analysis. Bitcoin has been trying to break the trend, crossing the 20-day moving average and breaking it for several times since its crash, as we all remember the big drop which happened in November 2018. The total market capitalization has dramatically dropped and Bitcoin has lost almost 44% of its value. Recently, the price of Bitcoin has been moving sideways, staying between the resistance level of $4,403 and the support level of $3,238. Looking at Bitcoin price analysis, the indicators are almost all showing the same direction as it follows. The stochastic has an oversold position, but its fast line is still below the slow one. There is no sign for change in the price direction as yet. The RSI reached the level of 34, but it couldn't stabilize for more than 1 month. The sideways movements of the price may continue, at least for the short term. The MACD is still below the signal. The price has big chances to continue its minor decrease despite some positive isolated evolution. The trading volumes are dropping, suggesting that the price has big chances to follow the bearish trend. This was our weekly Bitcoin price analysis. Thank you for listening. Catch you guys in the next one. Make sure to join our group on Telegram to stay up to date with our weekly analysis. Also, if you are still a beginner, browse our course library. There's a lot of useful information. And of course, leave us a comment below. We want to know your thoughts. As always, stay wise.